Yo, YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, what's good? Retro gang, holla at your boy and your girl Maddie. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Look, I hope everyone is enjoying their day. It's Monday. Look, and the A is raining in Atlanta, Georgia. We got the rain on and off. It's been raining actually for a couple of days. Still out here hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. See what we got on before I show you what's in this box? Please tell a friend, sub up, hit the like button, leave a comment. It's very appreciated from me and Maddie both. Gang, family, let's get right into this Vigi, aka videos. So what we got on deck today, you got the Yeezys, 350. People don't know, let me just run it by everything. See that? Size 11, coming up black. These are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Men's, 220 plus tax in your neck of the woods. You know how your boys say. So let's get right into this, man. I ain't been on the wall in a while. Let me get y'all back to these reviews. Let's get into it, fam. This is all black pair. Got the Adidas Yezzy in the inside. I'll zoom in on this thing, make sure y'all see everything. The glue stains and all and whatnot. It is a well put together shoe. See, the only thing I don't like is probably this right here that I'm looking at. Boost action. Let's check out the other one. I ain't did no Adidas unboxing in a while. What up, Adidas? What up? What up, Adidas? Okay. Other shoe. Let's see. Now this one, yeah, dude, on the other side. I guess that's how it's, you know, when they put it together. So you got one on one side, one on the other. Know my pair legit. I ain't even worried about it. Know where mine came from. I know how me and Maddie rock. I'm glad to have this pair in the shoebox. But if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to light up. So look, let me come right back to you, gang, and let me show y'all what this V2 about. Let's get it. Yep, they lit up. The shoe was basically pretty much all black when I was showing you. You see the laces now, the reflector. Y'all leave a comment that y'all go after this pair, that y'all sleep on this pair. This pair actually ended up being pretty limited. I don't know. I guess people didn't think it was going to be that, you know, it wasn't easy to get. I'm not going to sit up here and cap y'all. It wasn't that easy to get. Unless you got a bot, you know, however y'all want to do it. But they even had like a little shot drop kind of. Adidas had an app where they got the app, but they actually let you pick up a pair at a secret location once you did everything right. You was guaranteed, if I'm not mistaken, from my guy Josh, you was guaranteed a pair, but not your size. So I mean, it worked out. The actual pickup site was at Adidas out there in Lenox Mall in Atlanta, Georgia. You know, shout out to Lenox and Adidas for making sure everything was right. Gotta show y'all this 3M. Let me get the other one out. Like I said, that y'all have easy time getting this pair, or that y'all have a little trouble, that y'all get them to flip them. You know, you're gonna stock them, you're gonna rock them. Y'all let me know. Leave a comment below. So you know what your boy said, man. We love y'all here at Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. You know what I said, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Still a whole lot of gang. Enjoy y'all day, family. We out.